it and with the vending machine. Before that, hit the like button and subscribe it. So look guys, this cute doll. So this is Eric, cute cherry Eric. This hair is almost, and this doll's name is Cherry Skate. So let's go and see this vending machine. There's lot of options to press them, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lift. So what we are waiting for? Let's go with the vending machine. I want number 1 first. Let's see what is there. Ooh, what does we have here? Oh, look guys. Is a cute chair with scary cherries. And see guys, it's very easy to put it on. So let's do it guys. Wait. First. See guys, we are almost done. One arm here guys, and this arm come through the hole, and there we go. Look guys, the LOL doll has wear the dress. See, look cute on her. And I also say his name is Skate. See guys? Hello, I'm Cherry Skate. So let's do the other vending machine surprise. Number 2. Ooh, what is there guys? Cook a sweet bottle. And also have one more time my name. Cherry Skate. Oh, sorry guys. Let me put on this side. So there we go. See guys, I was saying this cute bottle for this LOL doll, and she is have her name one more time on this bottle. Cherry Skate. And see Cherry Skate. See guys? Hello, I'm Cherry Skate. So let's do the other vending machine surprise. Number 2. Ooh, what is there guys? So can hold it, see? But not right now. So let's put it on. Wait. On button, and there we go. See guys, we have a wear LOL dolls cute bottle. See, he looks pretty with that. And now let's do the other surprise. Let's press 3 number. Let's see guys, what is coming? Oh, glass! Let's wear it on. It's very easy to own it. Wear it on. And let's do this. Wait, guys. I need some help. I know how to do it, but I have to stretch it. I mean, no. And for the bottle. See guys, this cute glasses with cherry. It looks simple cherry, like almost cherry to it. It's so sweet. This looks like eating. Yum yum cherry, but we cannot eat it. This glass. Let's do the number 4. What is there? Huh? Oh, we have to put this over there. Let's put this. And there it goes. Ha. Wait. So to see this, guys, I can stand on it, but I'm not so big enough to stand on it. See, about a little. So let's do the other surprise. I'm gonna choose this first, but it doesn't do like fall down. So let's just see, open it, and then see what is inside it. There up, and we up. Nothing here. Nothing's here. Let's do weird. Let's see on the other side what is it. Ooh. Just follow it and see, it's a little skate shoes. I can wear this and do skates. See, it's very sweet. Let me see if it fits that. Wait. Okay. Take my leg out and then put it in the side of my leg. Wow, guys, very hard. It doesn't fit me, guys. Or it fit me, guys. See, little roller coaster. See, guys, it fit me. See, guys, now I can skate. I can book in. Oh, what is up there? Let's shake this the funny machine. Wow, a hairpin. Let's put it on. Wow. There's something else too, I think. Big. So see, guys, we put the hairband on LOLDolls head. See, guys? And let's climb up to get another surprise. And they're up, guys. I'm up. Ooh, a bag. See, guys, a bag. See? I can put my skate shoe. Let's put it, guys. And also shape on cherry. Cherry skill and cherry skate. Let's put this off and put in my. See, guys, guys. So this was a LOL surprise doll and with the vending machine. So like this bag and the skate in it, and this water bottle, this LOL doll, and this dress, this glasses, this hairband. So that's it guys. So hit the like button for more videos. See you again. Bye.